to learn something super cool, how to make our sprite move using just one simple block in Scratch. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Scratch and set the stage. First, make sure you've opened Scratch. You can do this in your browser at scratch.mit.edu. Please open your app to see this link, or use the desktop version if you have it. Once you're in, you'll see the cute Scratch cat, which is our default sprite. Step 2. Introducing the move block. To make our sprite move, we need to use a block from the Blue Motion section. See this list of blocks on the left? Click on Motion, and the very first block you see is Move 10 Steps. This is the magic block that makes your sprite take 10 steps forward. Step 3. Drag the move block. Now, all you have to do is click and drag the Move 10 Steps block into the center coding area. That's it. You've just written your first line of code in Scratch. Step 4. Test the code. Let's test it out. Click on the block and watch what happens. See how the sprite moves forward? Every time you click it, the sprite takes 10 steps forward. It's like giving it a little push. Step 5. Change the steps. Now, what if you want the sprite to move more or less than 10 steps? You can easily change the number. Just click on the number 10 inside the block and type in any number you like. Let's try 50 and see what happens. Change the number and demonstrate the difference. Whoa, see how much further the sprite moved? You can experiment with any number to control how far your sprite moves each time. Outro. That's it for today's quick lesson. Now you know how to use the Move 10 Steps block to make your sprite walk around. Try changing the numbers and have fun experimenting. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to 4Kid for more cool coding tutorials. Keep coding and I'll see you next time.